Welcome back sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Kung bago ka lang dito sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Good afternoon mga ka-kitchen! Ngayong hapon, dahil birthday ng panganay ko, magluluto ako ng spaghetti. We call it budget spaghetti. Ayan ang ating mga ingredients. Of course, spaghetti noodles. May condensed milk ako, meatballs, hot dogs, at ating ketchup, at ang ating Bolognese. And at ang ating grated cheddar or cheese. Ayan. So, ang una nating gagawin ay magpakulo ng tubig. Lutuin ko muna yung spag noodles. Ayan. So, lalagyan ko lang yan ng oil at saka asin para hindi didikit yung ating noodles. So, lagyan natin ng oil. Olive oil. Okay, not much. That will do. And salt. Then, antayin lang natin kumulo. Okay, as you can see, it's now boiling yung water. There we go. So, ilagay na natin yung ating pasta. So, let's cook it for about 8 to 9 minutes. Happy birthday, Cindy! Cindy's birthday. Ayan. So, she got a meat. We'll check if it is already al dente. Yeah, it's 6 o'clock. Okay, we will just drain now. Turn off. And we'll drain it. And we need to put this should be a cold water. There we go. That's fine. Kunti lang nata. Pwede na yan? No.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Homemade spaghetti sauce. Ayan, so ang ginagawa ko guys ay hindi ko nilalagyan ng mantika. Ano lang, tubig lang. Pagka nag-brown na, nawala na yung tubig, saka ko lalagyan ng mantika. So, sabay natin sa paggigisa ng bawang at sibuyas. Ayan. Okay. Para hindi mainit, lagyan natin yung hawakan ng ating kawali. Okay, so paubos na ang ating yung fluid. So lalagyan ko na siya ng oil. Ayan, so ito, lagyan na natin ng olive oil. Mayroon pa konting tubig. There. Okay, so antayin ko lang na minute bago ko ilagay yung ating ayan, minute na eh. Okay, so ilagay na natin yung ating onions. Oh! Kaya malakas yung ako yata. Okay. Next, ilagay na natin yung bawang. Okay. So, antayin lang natin na mag-brown yung ating bawang bago natin ilagay yung iba pang ingredients. Okay. Okay, so next, ilagay ko na tong ating hotdog para makisama. Lagay na rin natin yung ating meatballs. Okay. Then, itong ating tawag dito, Bolognese sauce, ilalagay natin para mabilis lang alisin yung takip, ganon. There, di ba? Bilis. And then lagay na natin. Saan ba yung aking kutsara? Ating simutin. Next, ating ilagay yung ating tomato sauce. Nang haluin. So, make sure lang na well blend na siya. Well mixed. Ayan, ang ating homemade na tawag dito, homemade na spaghetti sauce. Ang aking sikreto, hindi ko pa nalalagyan ng lagyan natin ng konting a pinch of salt. And a dash of black pepper. And then, haluin ng haluin. Ang aking secret ingredients ay ito. Yan. Okay, let's add cheese. Cheddar cheese. Ayan. A bit more. There we go. Ito ang sikreto ng masarap kong spaghetti sauce, guys. Try nyo to, lagyan nyo siya ng condensed milk. Magugustuhan ng mga anak nyo kasi manamis-namis siya. Masarap siya. Dati ayoko ng spaghetti pero nung natuklasan ko to, masarap siya talaga. Okay, so nailagay na natin yung ating secret ingredients. Parang pang ano to eh. Mas masarap pa to kaysa sa Jollibee na sauce. Promise. Okay? So, ayan, haluin lang natin ng haluin maigi. Para magpantay yung lasa. Ayan, masarap yung aking sauce kasi ano talaga, malapot at maraming okay. Titikman lang natin kung okay na ba yung ating homemade spaghetti sauce. Okay, so lagyan na natin ng sauce. There we go. So, ito na. Ito na po yung ating spaghetti. Yan. Masarap. Gustong-gusto po to ng mga kids kasi matamis-tamis po siya. Kaya gayahin nyo na ang spaghetti ni Tita Ching Kitchen. Ayan, so I hope you like it, guys, and see you soon in my next video. Bye! Saglit lang, guys, bago tayo tuluyan ng magpaalam. Ito si John, ang aking eldest son. Siya ang my birthday. Siya daw muna ang unang kakain. Oh, well, pagbigyan natin. Ayan, kasi yan lang ang aming handa, guys, ang aking hiniluto. Dahil, syempre, galing ako sa trabaho, pagod, yan lang ang mabilis lutuin. At yan ang request niya dahil masarap daw ang spaghetti ni Mami. Yan, so malaking subo. Ayan. Bago na tayong tuluyan magpaalam sa ating mga ka-kitchen. So, yan, thumbs up. Nice. Right, okay, so thank you again mga ka-kitchen sa inyong walang sawang panunood sa aking mga videos. So, keep safe everyone and see you soon in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for joining me in my premiere. Now, let's welcome my channel members. Please do connect and support to all of them as they are all very legit and very supportive. Thank you very much. Bye! Watching. See you soon in my next vlog. Keep safe everyone. Bye! Today's video